Jiayin outsmarted countless tycoons, but Yueting took him for $800 million. Here is how. In late 2017, Jia was building Faraday Future in the US, running out of cash. A Hong Kong company, Jiayin, stepped in, $2 billion for 45% of the company. In May 2018, the first $800 million arrived early. It went to the company, not Jia's pocket. In June 2018, Jiayin entered. Evergrande bought Jiayin for 6.746 billion Hong Kong dollars, inheriting the 45% stake and the 1.2 billion obligation. The honeymoon began. 1 month later, it broke. FF wanted 700 million early, Su wanted milestones, Jia refused to give up control. In October, Jia filed for arbitration to kick Evergrande out. On New Year's Eve came the dramatic settlement. The $2 billion deal was voided, the $1.2 billion cancelled. Jia kept the US company and all the overseas IP. The result, Jia got the cash to survive. Su's $800 million went down the drain. Who do you think really won? Comment below.